Good morning. They're having tomatoes now. Look, this one is a different kind of shape, guys. It's the very first time to have this kind of tomatoes. They call it in here mortgage litter tomato. It's huge tomatoes, but the shape is kinda, as you can see, it's kinda a little bit not really good shape, but I love the shape. Look, guys, see, it's just a small tree but already having fruits, because last month we're not having everyday sun, so that's why late, but at least they're having a fruits now, guys. So I planted this last month, June 1st,